Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a application that I developed in Node.js Express which allows you to download images and videos from X or Twitter platform formerly known as. So this is the application. I'm running it locally here. As you can see, this is the interface. So here you will simply paste the link here and then click fetch. So now if I go to the X platform, I simply copy the link here, whichever post I want to download. I simply go to the address bar, simply copy the link, and I simply come to this application and simply paste it. After pasting it, now we have this button of download. As I click this button, you will see the video will display right here in my browser, and we can play the video. As you can see, the video is playable, and then we also get the download button to actually download this video inside your own machine. So we are communicating with the Twitter API in the background to actually make the request and then basically download the media. This can be an image file, this can be anything. So you can just see here, this can also be a static post as well. So you simply copy the address and then paste it. This is actually a image file. So I think this is an ad here. Sorry, this is an ad here, not a profile. Just make sure that you are accessing a profile here. So let's suppose I want to download this photograph. I simply copy the address and paste it. After pasting it, you will see the photograph will display right here, all the photograph, because there were two photographs which were there. This was the first one, this was the second one. So all the two photographs, the script has captured this. So this is a fully fledged project, guys. If you are interested, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. So once you purchase it, you will get this directory structure. It's coded inside Node.js and Express. So it's very easy to run this. Once you purchase it, you simply uh, start this node index.js. The application will start locally. So we are running it. The server is running at localhost 42. So I'm just running this application, as you can see that. So it's a very simple project. So whatever is the, you basically copy the link here and simply paste it, and then that video will display. As you can see, the video is successfully downloaded from the X Twitter platform. It can be a post, it can be an image. So this is actually the application, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. So we are actually communicating with the X Twitter API to actually download the actual user post. So this is a fully single page application, static application, which runs directly in the browser. So no backend is there in this application. It's basically directly is a single page application. Backend is there, but it's coded inside Express. So it's a Node Express full stack project to actually allow user to download X Twitter post directly in the browser. So you simply paste the URL, and then after that it will grab everything information as you paste any. Let's suppose you want to download this, you simply copy the link. It's very easy to deploy this application as well. So you get this download button, and now this image file is successfully downloaded. So it can be an image, it can be a video. So all sort of files are successfully downloaded, as you can see. So the link is given, guys. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get that source code automatically from Google Drive. And if you face any sort of problem after purchase, I will help you. You can ask me any question if you face any sort of problem after purchase.